What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can have your Slack link of the workspace in Slack. So what are you going to do is just go to your Slack and you'll be having this home screen. Then as you want to have the link of your workspace, just go to your workspace drop down menu. Then over here you'll be having the profile of your workspace. Just go here and then you'll be having this menu over here. So over here it says URL. So this is your Slack's link of the workspace in Slack. So just have it from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.